Hello everyone and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. It's an honor to be here. I hope everybody had a great Christmas day and a great Christmas holiday cheer and all that fun stuff. For me, it was fire. I got some good trades in. I did not get a chance to record. I'm really sorry. I only had one good trade though, so let me reword that. I had a fire good trade. Great way to start the Christmas day off yesterday. Now for the rest of the day, we're going to be looking at Solana, and here's why. It had a fire ass run up yesterday. I actually, full disclosure, did not own any Solana on this run. A little sad that I didn't. I did watch this run up happen, and I saw so many great signs, but like an idiot, I did not jump in. I'm hoping some of you guys did and made some profit on it. But let's start looking at the chart and seeing if that steam is going to stay being pumped off, or is this another buying point, or where are we going from here? Here's what we do know. Solana's been on a freaking massive tear, right? Now, let's really do it 4 hours here. From where it started pumping, I would even say the low point was September. So from September to now, you'd be up at around 500%. So 88, so about 3 months, you'd be up at around 400%. So 10 grand, about 46K. 100 grand, 460K. That's a fire run. Now, what do we think are some of the catalysts that started this run? A couple of things. One, we all know that the Solana blockchain is now running and there are meme tokens being printed on there. The irony, or the reason that's so important and valuable here, is because in order to interact with that chain, you're going to need Solana. So in order to buy some of these meme tokens that are now hitting a couple of $1 million in market cap, you're going to have to own Solana. So that allows for a price run up just like this to occur, and it has been nothing but short of magnificent. And even on that last stop of the run up was December 13th, you'd still be up at around 87% to the top, and right now you'd still be up at around 56%. So about a week ago you'd be up at around 50% of your money. So in this case, 10K would turn into 15K, or $1,000 would turn into 1,500. 508 days, that's still very beautiful for many people. So it's still a positive train up that occurred here. Now what we do see is a lot of red from RSI. RSI is definitely telling us it's time to take some of the steam off. And here's the thing, you guys, for a run up like this, 400% in 90 days, you're gonna need some time to cool off. Even this 50% or 87% in 8 days, we're gonna need a pullback. If you don't see a pullback, then you know something's off. The question is, how bad or how big will the pullback need to be in order for it to be worth it? And so far, it's looking like a clean, healthy, nice pullback. It's nothing crazy. MACD's also crossed over. We're down on the dotted lines. We're going down there. And the volume is showing a lot of negative sell pressure volume, but there are still some bulls holding it back. I mean, look, we've already created a nice size couple of percent here wick. And usually that's a start of people saying, hey, this is the stopping point. I'm willing to buy more here. And this could be the stopping point for the full pullback. Hopefully that is the case. And if that is the case, then basically, well, let's do this. We want to look at the week and see what prior to it was. And it was in this area, right? It topped out, same thing. So all in this little gray area, I would say is going to be a hold good resistance and support window. Our next one's not going to be till 141, 145. And here's one thing I will say. Once we cross 143, 144, we are going to 150. There's no stopping that, because that is the next stopping point. And then after that, we're looking at around 204. And lastly, if we can cross past the 250 mark, man, it would be 260 mark. It would be a crazy holiday run up. I don't know if that is going to be the case. I don't know if there's enough liquidity in this whole market right now to push it. I mean, like, you know, there is, but I'm just saying, is there going to be enough people wanting to purchase it and push it up there? We don't know that answer right now, and I don't see any signs showing that. But I do believe that this full run is not over yet, especially with the blockchain being used. The more tokens made on there would also signify the more usage of Solana that people have. And one more thing. Please click that young subscribe button. I don't ask it up, and I'm not very good at remembering to, but I do appreciate it. We're almost at 2,500. We'll do a giveaway, and hopefully you guys can use that money to do some solid freaking trades. Please and thank you guys so much for watching, as always. But remember, watch the market right now. Let's see where Solana's going to do. Keep your eyes open. Keep watch of the blockchain on the meme token plays for Solana. Let's see what it's looking like, okay? As I keep looking at this chart for the rest of the day, I'll try to make another short or at least a video, get it out there. but my main goal is to trade. I am sorry. I will get better at posting. I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.